Hello everyone, welcome to another video in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Cheat Engine in your Windows 10 PC. So first go to any browser that you have in the Google here and search for Cheat Engine. And then in the first link here, cheatengine.org here. So just click on it. So this is the website of download the Cheat Engine from here. So if you're using a Mac here, so you can download Cheat Engine 7.1 for Mac here, or you can just download Cheat Engine for Windows here. Just click on it. And you can see there's the exe file which is only 223.8 MB. Just click on save file, so it will start downloading here. Now you can see it's starting downloading. After completing the download option, just go to the folder where you have download the exe folder. Now you can see the Cheat Engine exe file is here, so now just double click on it to open the installation process. Click run here. Now you can see the installation process is open here, so just click I accept the agreement here, then click next. Then you have to choose where you want to install your file here. So if you want to change the folder here, just click browse here, then choose any folder here. So I'm going to choose local disk E here, click OK, then click next. Then if you want to change the name from here, so you can change the name here. So I'm just gonna click next here. Create a desktop icon, check for new version. Okay, just click next. Then it will install. For it will take some moments, I guess. Now you can see the logo is here. Now you just have to click next here. Now I can see the installation process finish here. Now just click finish here, and it will also launch the Cheat Engine option here. So let's see if it's properly working or not. So if you want to put some community URL here, or you can just click cancel here. Then do you want to try out the tutorial? So it will show you how to use the Cheat Engine. So if you're new to this, you can watch the tutorial here or just click no. And now you can see the Cheat Engine 7.1 latest version is open here. So that's it guys, this is how you download and install Cheat Engine 7.1 in your Windows 10 PC. So it's working properly. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.